Withdrawing funds from Chase Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Gather necessary information. Before you begin, make sure you have your Chase Bank account number, identification such as a driver's license or passport, and any other required information handy. Step 2. Choose your withdrawal method. Decide how you want to withdraw your funds. You can do this through an ATM, at a bank branch, or via online banking transfer to another account. Step 3. Using an ATM. If you choose to withdraw from an ATM, locate a Chase ATM. Insert your debit card into your PIN and select the amount you wish to withdraw. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Step 4. Visiting a bank branch. If you prefer to withdraw funds in person, visit a Chase Bank branch. Approach a teller, present your identification, and request the amount you wish to withdraw. The teller will process your request and provide you with the cash. Step 5. Online transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the iShock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, withdrawing funds from Chase Bank can be done easily through various methods. Choose the one that best suits your needs and follow the steps provided for a successful transaction.